2 weeks, man. Take it down.
You close your eyes for 2 weeks, all I care. Go look at your wall and look at mine.
I'll look wherever I want to, and I don't want to be looking at that for 2 weeks.
You better use your X-ray vision, Superman. Look right through it. Can't come down.
Where are you going? Where are you going? Go get Dada. Come on.
You look like a bunch of fifth-grade sissies after a cat fight. You got anger, that's good. You're going to need it, son. You got aggression, that's even better. You're going to need that too. But any little 2-year-old child will throw a fit. Football is about controlling that anger.
Come on.
Harnessing that aggression into a team effort with perfection.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get up.
We will be perfect in every aspect of the game. You drop a pass, you run a mile. You miss a blocking assignment, you run a mile. You fumble the football, and I will break my foot off in your John Brown Hines.